Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're brand new to gaming or just starting to take it more seriously, this video is for you. I'll be sharing some beginner-friendly tips and tricks that'll help you improve faster, avoid common mistakes, and most importantly, have fun while gaming. Let's jump right in. Tip 2100. Learn the basics first. Every game has its own rules, controls, and mechanics. Before you try to play competitively or dive into advanced stuff, spend a little time in tutorials or practice modes. Don't skip those, they actually teach you shortcuts, movement tricks, and how the game is meant to be played. Trust me, knowing the basics makes the fun part way less frustrating. Tip 2100. Comfort is key. Set yourself up for success, literally. Adjust your chair, monitor, and controller or mouse keyboard settings so you're comfortable. Play around with sensitivity settings until you find what feels natural. Pro tip: lowering sensitivity can give you better control when aiming, especially in shooters. Tip 4142. Don't chase perfection right away. Everyone starts off making mistakes. Missing shots, dying a lot, or getting lost in a game, it's all part of the process. Instead of worrying about being perfect, focus on learning one new thing each time you play. You'll see steady progress without burning yourself out. Tip 4223. Play with others. Games are meant to be social. Jump in with friends or join beginner-friendly communities online. Not only will you learn faster by watching others, but you'll also have way more fun. Plus, teammates can give you tips that you won't find in the game's manual. Tip 5300. Watch and learn. Check out YouTubers, streamers, or pro players in the games you're interested in. You don't have to copy everything they do, but seeing how they move, react, and make decisions can give you new ideas to try out. Even watching a short gameplay clip can teach you something new. Tip 6344. Take breaks. Gaming marathons sound fun, but if you play too long without breaks, your focus and reaction time drop fast. Take 5-10-minute breaks every hour to stretch, drink water, and reset your mind. You'll actually perform better and enjoy the game more. Outro 42500. Movie camera cut back to you. So those are some of my top tips for new gamers. Learn the basics, get comfortable, take your time, play with others, watch and learn, and of course, don't forget to take breaks. Remember, gaming is supposed to be fun first. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more beginner guides, and let me know in the comments what game you're starting with. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.